Hi everyone! Today we are going to cook gyudon, or Japanese beef bowl. Gyudon is a mouth-watering Japanese classic and known to be a quick, tasty meal. It is a one-pot dish consisting of thinly sliced beef, cooked in a slightly sweet mixture of mirin and soy sauce and served over rice. Let's get started. First off, let's cut the beef. We need about 1 pound thinly sliced. To cut the beef, find the direction of the grain, which is the way the muscle fibers are aligned, then slice against the grain, rather than parallel to it. Cutting it this way shortens the fibers, making it easier to chew, since a lot of the hard work of breaking up the muscle fibers has already been done for you. We also need to slice an onion. And that's all for the preparation. Let's get cooking. In a medium pot or saucepan, bring the water to a boil. It should be about 400 to 500 milliliters, enough to cover the beef. When it's boiling, add the beef, and skim off any scum that rises to the surface. Add the sake or cooking wine, the minced ginger, the light soy sauce, the sugar, and the mirin. Finally, add the sliced onions. Then lower the heat to a simmer. Cover it up and let it simmer for about 15 to 25 minutes, or until the beef is cooked. This will depend on the thickness of the beef. Next, uncover the pot and let it cook until the liquid has reduced to about 1/3 of its original amount. Serve it in a bowl with cooked rice, sprinkling minced pickled ginger and green onions on top. And you're done! Enjoy the tender beef and onions served with savory and sweet sauce. Please like the video if you enjoyed the recipe, and subscribe for more traditional Asian recipes. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comment section.